finally found some primer. I was sick too. So this one's cracked. While that escalade dash dries, we're gonna go ahead and fix this crack. We're gonna Dremel out the crack and fill it in with some epoxy. Alright, so now that we drilled out now that we carved out the hole, we're gonna go ahead and fill it with our epoxy. I like to use this plastic bonder. It dries really hard. So we're gonna go fill in that gap with it, let it dry, sand it, put some Bondo on it. The reason it cracked, because you can see I put some supporting it all the way around, except there. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop some in there also. Alright, so we're gonna scuff this up with some 60 grit or so the epoxy can stick to it. Hey, what's up, Doug? How do I look over there? This thing was almost ready for paint and then it cracked. Starbucks cards. These are the best for mixing epoxies and Bondos and stuff. The bad thing about this epoxy is that it needs about 24 hours to fully cure, so that's probably all I'll do to this dash tonight. Put this on and let it dry. Like that. Get it out of this crease because it's a bitch to sand it later. Then we'll go ahead and drop the rest in the back. And back here we probably want to do a lot, so I'll go ahead and mix some more. Hey Doug, Have you seen the movie Alpha Dog?
Yeah, old.
Is it old? Yeah, it's pretty old, right? No, they killed the kid? Yeah. Yeah, we just watched it the other night. Yep.
That's why your chick wanted to watch it.
Is that why you guys watched it? Doug's over there flicking his bean to Justin Timberlake. To be honest, I think you're better looking, Doug. You're better looking than Justin Timberlake.
I knew it. That's what I always thought. I just didn't want to tell anybody. I didn't want to ask. It's kind of hard to ask people that.
With that shirt, you look better looking than Justin Timberlake.
That old lady shit, I stole it from you.
I actually wore that shirt all weekend today twice.
This chick gave it to me last night. That's disrespectful shit, man.
Is your car cold? Is that why you're covering it in blankets?
Full of fucking metal shit.
So now we can check on our primer dash. Dude, this is ready for paint.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, now hit it with that Scotch Brite.
Okay. Let me clean my hands with acetone because I got epoxy all over them. I don't know what this is, but we'll see. Wipe your ass with acetone, bitch.
Hey, don't be showing my fucking rack top install. It's gonna be ahead.
Ahead?
Yeah.
You think this is going to YouTube anytime within the next 2 weeks?
Hey, I don't know. I don't know if you're uploading schedule.
I don't even have a fucking laptop to upload this shit with.
Get it out.
Alright, so
Put it out. Skip the rack top stuff.
we just wet sanded this with 400 grit and then sprayed primer on it. So now the next step would be, I've never tried this method. This is my buddy Doug's method. Shut the fuck up, man. I'm YouTubing over here. Where are you hiding the Scotch Brite?
Oh, wow. You take my idea and then treat me like a bitch.
I said it's my buddy Doug's idea.
Probably my idea.
Oh, here it is.
No, give me a clean one.
Why? What's wrong with it?
Okay.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with it.
Just to paint it on.
Okay, so this is Scotch Brite. I've never tried this method. Doug says it works. So we'll see. So we're gonna hit it, just scuff the whole thing, just to kind of get rid of some high spots in the primer. Do you have to hit it a lot? It cuts it pretty quick.
Make sure it's thorough, so we're almost out in the rough spot.
I think this looks good. I think she's ready for paint. Yep. So now we're gonna clean it with some alcohol and a towel. We're gonna spray it. Paper towels over here in Doug's dirty ass bathroom. Whew. Yeah, it's looking good. So for the paint that I will use is, do you have any paint, Doug? Yep. It's Rust-Oleum, the flat black one. Rust-Oleum Professional. Shake it up real nice, like Doug's mom. Go ahead and put it up here. Don't try this at home. This is a state-of-the-art paint booth. Dude, you know, it's been a long time since I painted a dash.
Yeah.
Like this, like I need to ask for advice because like it's feeling old to me.
Look at what you did.
You did this.
Get that fucking shit out of there. It was over here.
That fuckboy's on his period. What's up, Doug? How you doing? Alright, so now we sprayed it kind of wet. Now we just let it sit and let it dry. Yeah, looks like that's it though. We'll come back and check on it in about 5 minutes or so.